Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 17 first variant question number 6 in the paper 1. This is a 11th of means was first variant of paper 1. And this is a topic of differentiation, application differentiation. Okay. So very important, little bit hard, you can say even. A horizontal base solid prism is an equilateral triangle side X. So you can say prism like this, you can make prism like this, no problem at all. Or you make prism the other way. Other way means like this. So this way and the top this way. And if I join, and join. So X side, X side, X side. And height is mentioned by him is H. So let's start this kind of question. Okay. So what the question he's saying, the side of the prisms are vertical. It means the second diagram was correct. Okay, first was wrong. And the height of H is this one, and volume is given 2000. I've given an idea. Whenever he given volume, so start your question from volume. If he given you area, so we start from the area. So area given, start from area. Volume given to start from volume. Because he given volume, so I will start my question from volume. Okay. Before I start, I just give you a basic idea. Wait a minute, I make this diagram here. This time I make accurate, so you can understand clear, easily. You can understand easily. Okay, this is a prism. We have it. Okay, so X, 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 and H, and all sides are equal. So equilateral. He said equilateral. So it means 60, 60, and 60. Okay. Now the blue area, what I'm showing, this blue part is called base area. And what is the formula for the volume? I'm going to write it here. Volume formula is what? Volume of prism, cross area into height. So cross area multiply by height. This is a volume formula. Okay, what is the cross area? Cross area I find here separately, then I plug in. So what is cross area? Look at here. I'm going to write here. So cross area CA is a cross area. Is an equilateral triangle. All of you know, half into one side, into second side, into sine of the middle, any one angle. And sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and x into x become x squared. So half into x squared and root 3 by 2. Ultimately, it becomes root 3 over 4 and x squared. So this I'm going to plug in here. And I will plug in volume value as well. Volume value is given by him 2000. So 2000 is equals to root 3 over 4 x squared into h. Height of the container is h. So he said express h in terms of x. So let's try how to make it. So I'm going to make x subjects. This 4 into 2000 become 8000. And this root 3 and x squared will divide under it. Okay, so I have done my first job at h in terms of x. Now he's saying prove the surface area of the prism. This is interesting to know how to make this formula. And actually cross area, so what is the area of this full prism? Not a cross area. Okay, if you look at carefully, I normally teach one formula, cross area into 2, cross area multiply into 2. Why into 2, sir? Because top and bottom. Okay, plus perimeter of cross area into height. Perimeter of cross area CA into height. What is this? Actually, if you don't want to write this formula, so I said perimeter of cross area means this x, and this x. So there are 3 lengths are for a perimeter of cross area, and into h. So indirectly this become x plus x plus x into h. Okay, because very clear, because otherwise if you don't like this formula, we have another choice. What, sir? This I show you. This green color rectangle is formula hx. Look as hx comes. Is the other green rectangle, okay? Again hx, and because it's left, so this is the second hx. And the front rectangle, we have another one, is also hx. So 3hx comes. So you can see that if you don't like this formula, so we can find individual each side parameter area, sorry, easily. So I'm going to write it now here. Get ready. So what is CA cross area into 2 plus perimeter of cross area, perimeter of CA, I mean cross area into height. Okay. So I'm going to plug in the values and you will see inshallah this become very easy. Okay. So cross area is, we have already, this is root 3 by 4. So it means this is very clear. Root 3 over 4x square times 2. And perimeter of cross area is x, second x, and third x time to h. So area is equals to root 3 over 4x square. And so this 2 and 4 cancel out. I can say this become 2. Alhamdulillah, this match. Okay, it matches. So now what is situation here? X plus x become 3x into h. So 3x into h. And h value is this. I am going to plug in here. So I'm going to plug in here. So into 8,000 by root 3 x square. So root 3 x square. So this is clear. So now I'm going to complete it, and the last step of proving part, because this hardest part is proving one. Okay. So 3 times to 8,000 becomes 24,000. And root 3 still there, and this x squared and x cancel out, and I bring it in the numerator because I need up. So x to power minus 1, alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen, I have done my job of proving. So this is a very, very clear, I'm sure up till here you're understanding. Lot of algebra actually up till here, no differentiation. Although topic is differentiation, but up till here, no differentiation. Now step number 2, he said x can vary. So what this means, differentiate a with respect to x, okay, and find the x value. You know what to do. First of all, differentiate dA by dx and then put equal to 0 because stationary. And then he's asking find the x value which has stationary value. So I need to find x value only. And what is technique? Differentiate, derivative 0 and get. And after that, we need go for nature and we need a second differentiation. So let's start. So how to complete it? Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, you know, x must be in the numerator. We have already. Okay, some student try to bring root 3 up. No need. Some student try to bring 2 up. No need. Why, sir? Because root 3 by 2 is constant and 24,000 by root 3 is a constant. So constant untouched. So no change of constant anywhere. So let's start. dA over dx. Okay, what is the derivative of x squared become 2x? You know it very well. So root 3 over 2 into 2x. Similarly, what is this derivative? You know, this minus 1 goes down, this power become minus. So this is minus sign and 24,000 over root 3 and power reduce. Reduce means minus 1 and minus 1 give you minus 2. So I'm going to write minus 2 here. So power is minus 2 there. So this power is minus 2. I'm writing again. It's not so clear. Okay, look at here. Now what I will do, I can go for a second derivative even, or I can, yes, second derivative I can find same time, no problem. Or, okay, or I just put derivative 0 for x value, okay? Derivative 0, so root this 2 cancel out, and root 3 times 2x minus 24,000 by root 3 and time x squared. Why x squared is very clear. Okay. Now what is technique? This will go on the left hand side, become positive. So 24,000 over root 3 x squared equals to root 3x. So when you multiply there, you know, all of you know, root a into root a give you a. Why, sir? Because root 2 square means and square root cancel out. Root 3 into root 3, it become root 3 square give you 3. So it means it will cancel automatically, and my answer it will go there. So only 24,000 equal to 3x to power 3. 3 divide under it. So it become 8,000 equal to x cube. Cube root, it give you 20. So I got this answer of x becomes 20. And a part of this is done. He said, find x value. Last part I'm discussing now. Last part. And what is the last part he's discussing? He said that what is a determine, show the recessive working, nature stationary value. And what is the plan of action? This is my first derivative. Sorry, on top, this I use. I will differentiate again. And after differentiate, I will go for, I will put this x value in second derivative. So I'm going to do in the middle of the page. So let's start. So d2a over dx2, and x derivative becomes, this x derivative become 1. So root 3 remains only. And what is this derivative? You know it. This minus 2 comes down, minus and minus plus, and 24, 48,000. Root 3 already there, and power is -3. Why -3? Because 1 reduced from there. Okay, if you write it up or you bring in denominator, power become +3. So I'm writing here x to power +3. Now put 20 here. Common sense, when I plug in 20 here, you know it is confirmed positive answer coming. So root 3 times 220 to power 3, it gives us positive answer. So why we waste our time? We should not waste our time. It's called minimum area. So it means it is giving us minimum area. So it is a nature is finally done. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is a nature part we have finished. So I hope so the concept is completely